presence of the future is here. We are already in a space of transformation where the old patterns are no longer working and new patterns are only starting to work. And because they're only starting to work, it's a little bit like the dawn, rising above the horizon. We are entering an era when love is going to work quite differently. Wildflowerfire will be offering 2 new options this fall. There are 2 critical themes that can help unravel a great deal of suffering and confusion. One is about how intimacy has always worked, and another is about how intimacy is changing. What is the work you need to do that is part of who you're becoming, and how much of the past do you need to face and address in order to be free of it, that you may embrace a new future? We will be offering a 1-day workshop, 10 a.m. Eastern, for an hour and a half. It will be designed to help heal intimate and sexual wounds. The intertwining nature of intimacy and sexuality is confusing at best. The impulse to hide our woundedness is a critical piece in keeping ourselves wounded. By being witnessed, you say, I'm bearing this, and you allow yourself to be known this way, and you trust that you're in a safe circle, surrounded by people who care, who want the best for you, and who are ready to witness you in a way that can help catalyze your healing. A lot can change in short periods of time. Following this one-time workshop, we will engage in a series, an hour and a half each, once a week, Wednesdays at 10 a.m. During this more committed experience, you will be invited to share with a circle of 8 people that will create an opportunity for each person to be witnessed regularly with our intentions and with our confusions. We will introduce a new theme each week and have a discussion around this theme, and we will design and offer you explicit meditations and exercises that will help reinforce the work you're doing that you can use and carry through your life. Within this commitment, you will be growing as a person who is much more comfortable with themes that have likely haunted you. The world is changing. What can you do to fit in to the way the world is changing? The depth of light that will be here in the future is greater than what's going on now. So if you want to tune into the future, you really have to make a deep commitment. We're going to have a discussion about this that I believe will astonish you. I have been through some intense, intimate, and traumatic wounds. In the healing journey that I engaged on, I sought out the best teachers in the world that I could find, and it worked. That has allowed me to be present with many people healing in person and online, reaching you across the world. We will be doing this together in a way that I have experienced takes everything to the next level. So to be present with what is possible, to be present with what is birthing, you need to understand it, you need to reinforce it, you need to surround yourself with people who agree, you need to talk about it, you need to think about it to help make your prayers more real. Join us